Let's take a look at how Code Preview, formerly called Local Development, enables teams to rapidly build, test, and run Lightning Web Components from localhost. Code Preview allows our teams to render changes in the browser the moment they happen. No push to a Scratch org or other environment required. Here we're in VS Code on the left side of the screen, and I have a few components I'm working on. Now I can get started fast by simply right-clicking my desired component and selecting Preview Component, which will activate Code Preview on the right side of my screen. I can use Code Preview to, preview any component in my org, and any change I make will automatically be rendered here. Let's play around with the CSS file for this component to see that in action. My component is simple. It's just rendering some hero text as part of my page, but it's kind of loud right now. Let's soften it a bit by getting rid of all the caps. In VS Code, I'm in the CSS file for my hero details component, and I'm going to change uppercase to lowercase. Now let's take a look at Code Preview on the right to see what happened. Without any command line work or a trip to my Scratch org, my component instantly re-rendered on save to reflect my change. How awesome! Let's try this again. Now I want italics for my page. Easy enough. I just add in the italics font style to my CSS, hit save, and you guessed it, we've got italics now. Nice. Okay, one more change I want to make. Let's add some neat text shadowing. I'll go back to my CSS file, add in a little bit of shadowing below my font style, and this will really make the text pop. Okay, I save it, and I see it in Code Preview. And now I want to see it in my app. Let's push this change. Going to my embedded terminal in VS Code, I'll enter my command to push these changes to my Scratch org, and we'll fast forward for a bit here to get these changes delivered to my app. And boom! Now you see my text Lightning Web component, which is all throughout my app. Reflects this new style I iterated on using Code Preview. Rather than push every little change to my Scratch org, Code Preview saved me time and helped me iterate faster on my new app. Awesome.